Well, what would the summer be without a baby bash, right? Well, the baby bash this past Saturday at Terrebonne General Health System. Terrebonne General always brings the resources necessary for our community, and we want to thank them for providing resources for the mothers and the children this weekend at the baby bash.
We're here at Baby Bash today celebrating World Breastfeeding Awareness Week, and we're with Emily Taylor, the director of Terrebonne General Women's Health Center, and Emily Thompson, our lactation consultant. So they want to tell us a little bit more about what's going on here today. Why do you think it's so important to give this information?
Well, we love our community, and we want to make sure that our community has the best information out there, evidence-based information, and us at Terrebonne General want to provide that to our community. So we want to make sure that our mamas are healthy, our babies are healthy, and then as they're growing up, they have that information they need for like safe sleep, water safety. Incidents happen where cars get children get locked in the car. So lots of different things that they're learning about today. Breastfeeding is very important because it's Mother Nature's way of protecting us. It protects our moms as they grow older from different types of cancers, heart disease, other medical conditions. For our babies, it protects their immune system, so they're going to be less sick. You're going to have to take less time off of work. It's perfect nutrition for our children.
Emily, tell us more about the resources that Terrebonne General provides for breastfeeding women.
So we practice the Baby Friendly Initiative, which is all encompasses. We really promote breastfeeding and exclusive breastfeeding. We have lactation consultants on staff that are there for support. They're there for support prenatally, which is before you have your baby, while you're there in the hospital, and also we provide support after you leave the hospital. They're there around the clock, so you can call at any time and ask questions if you have any concerns. They also provide outpatient visits where you can come to the hospital with your baby and they can teach you one-on-one of how to do the breastfeeding.
Okay, tell us about the NICU services that Terrebonne General provides.
So we are the only level 3 NICU in the region. We have full-time neonatologists on staff. We also have neonatal nurse practitioners that stay in-house 24/7. We give that confidence to the mom that we have the baby here in their community. They don't have to travel. They can go home and come back and see their babies every day. So for those of you who don't know who the NICU is, it is our neonatal intensive care unit, which is an ICU unit for our small babies.
My name is Jenica Walker, and I'm actually a WIC peer counselor. And what the peer counseling program is at WIC is that we contact moms who are prenatal, and then also after they have their babies. If they're breastfeeding, we're there to provide breastfeeding support for them. We give them calls, we send information via text, we help them set up their accounts with Pacify, which is an app that WIC is actually partnered with that gives them 24/7 lactation support for free, which is wonderful to be able to bridge that gap between hospital care and the time when we can actually get their information at the clinic and get them the help they need breastfeeding.
So I'm Dr. Courtney Seaton, and I'm here at the Baby Bash, and I'm one of the pediatricians here at Terrebonne General. I love this event because it allows our moms to get all the tools and resources needed to have a safe and healthy pregnancy. So I see kids ages 0 to 18 years, and it's very important to see your pediatrician because we offer all the tools needed to have a loving, growing child. So come see us at Terrebonne General Pediatric Care.
All right, of course, Jennifer Hollihan was on hand for this event, and they also went next door to the drive-thru at Terrebonne General Health System where they had hands-on helping people out in the area, also to show them the correct way to install car seats and safety tips for anyone in need.
Tell me more about what's going on here today.
Hey, oh my God, I'm so happy to be here today. So we are having our first fitting station. We are child passenger safety technicians. We're all certified here for Louisiana, safe sitting children in their car seats. You know, you really don't know what you don't know. Honestly, to be truthful, whenever I showed up at the class, my car seat was actually installed incorrectly. And it's just because there's so many different types. When do we move them? At which weight do we move them? How tall do they have to be? Can they be forward facing, rear facing? So that's what we're here to kind of show our community. We are looking at over 1,000 fatalities last year in 2021, and a large majority of that was unrestrained children, unrestrained infants. And so we just here trying to serve our community. We're gonna have this actually twice a month on the first and third Wednesday of every month from 10 to 12. We are gonna be located at the drive-through Terrebonne General Clinic, and it's across the street from the hospital. And yeah, we'll be here checking seats, and we'll also be here the first Saturday of every month as well.
Well, as we know, the number one killer of childs is car crashes in the state of Louisiana. And so the way that we're trying to combat this is that state police actually partner with Terrebonne General, and we're trying to offer free child fitting services every first and third Wednesdays of the month at the Women's Center at Terrebonne General. It's going to be from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Like I said, it's a free service. Come rain or shine, we got covered patio. We're also doing free car seat checks at Troop C right there in grade 2. You can come by anytime. We have somebody out there during the daytime hours. And also, if you have any questions about car seats, you can call me, Trooper Ross Brennan, at 985-855-0241. Try to get you taken care of, answer some questions, because it's all about just keeping children safe on these roadways.
All right, once again, we want to thank Terrebonne General for always providing the necessary resources to our community, and our law enforcement for assisting in the car seat safety checks. This service is offered free to the public every first and third Wednesday of the month at the drive-through at Terrebonne General from 10 to 12. They will offer car seat safety checks for anyone that needs it.